Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. B is for ball. B is for books. C is for cake. C is for crown. D is for dog. D is for Doraemon. E is for elephant. E is for eagle. F is for fish. F is for frog. G is for girl. G is for grapes. H is for house. H is for helmet. I is for ice. I is for ink. J is for jug. J is for joker. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. L is for lamp. L is for lock. M is for mango. M is for mirror. N is for nose. N is for nest. O is for owl. O is for octopus. P is for panda. P is for police. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rose. R is for robot. S is for sun. S is for socks. T is for tiger. T is for tractor. U is for unicycle. U is for unicorn. V is for vampire. V is for van. W is for watch. W is for window. X is for Xmas tree. X is for Xeros.